I'm sure you had good bad. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Welcome back to Revenue. So today I have $9 here. So let me go ahead and count it real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what we're going to do is we're back with another game called Roll and Save. So we're going to see how many envelopes we can fill with $9. I have 8 envelopes overall. Again, I am saving for my birthday, which is June 23rd of 2025. And I will be turning 35. So I'm trying to save for my birthday so I can do something really grand and really big. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, I'm all about savings. So this is a savings channel. I personally do not budget my bills using cash. I do all of that electronically. Okay, so if you're into saving for your future, just making sure you have some money saved for whatever may happen, whatever occasion, just to have it just because, then this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. So we're going to jump right into it. Again, this game is called Roll and Save. What I'm going to do is take the dice, shake it up, and whatever number comes up right, like this 3 here, that is the amount of money that I will cash stuff in each envelope. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so birthday is going to get $6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next we have hair. And hair is supposed to get $6, but I don't have $6 here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll it 2 more times just to see if I can get a different number to cash stuff here. So here's going to get $2. Next we have hygiene. And it's $3 for hygiene, but I only have $1 here. So let's try to roll 2 more times and see if we can get it. And we have $1. Wow, so today we don't have any money left over, which is awesome. I'm gonna leave that right there actually, which is awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and see how much we have in these envelopes overall. And being that I don't have any money left over from this roll and save, I'm gonna now have to go and see how much I want to cash stuff for the next video. So for birthday, let's see, we have 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, $44. And I will be going to the bank sometime this week to do a cash exchange. So for hair, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, $37. And for hygiene, we have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. For miscellaneous, we have 20, 25, 26. For nails, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. For perfume, we have 20, 21, 22, 23. For self-care, we have 10, 15, 16. And lastly, for shopping, we still have $21. Alrighty, so like I said, if you guys are into these videos where you're saving for your future and you want to get a jump start, this is the channel for you. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all can be on the road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.